be showing you how to use the EP levelling system by E&P Hydraulics. This particular unit is fitted on a Coachman laser. It's a 2020 model. It will be found on Coachman VIPs, and you can also have it fitted at EP levelling as well. On the control panel, we're just going to press the power button. So we've got two arrows lit up, one pointing up and one pointing to the right. That's telling us that those two areas are higher than the rest of the caravan. On the right hand side, we've got the power button, a hand icon, some legs with a down arrow that says auto, and some legs with an up arrow. The hand icon lets us use each leg manually, and the auto icon levels the van automatically. We're going to give it a press. Now the caravan is warning us that the legs are going down, it's beeping. If your caravan isn't at the right level for the legs to work, it will come up and tell you. To take the legs up on the system, all you do is press the bottom legs button. The system beeps to tell us that it's working, warns people around it, and now the legs are going up. With the auto levelling system, you can use it manually. This is useful if you've had a puncture or you need to change a wheel. You can actually jack the van up on either side. You'll notice that the icon on the display shows the hitch over here, so we know that's the front of the caravan. So if we want to jack up the near side, we press the hand button, so it's manual, and we press the top button here because this is the near side, and if we hold it, we can actually jack the caravan up. When you need to put the caravan back down, press the hand symbol so it's off of manual mode, press legs up, and it will automatically put those legs back up that you put down manually.